We got the Black Friday deals for the Ace Hardware. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more tour review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. Alright, so they do have a full line of Eagle and Toro. So if you guys are looking, they do have gas and battery powered equipment, including a full line of Milwaukee OPE tools. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of good stuff to look at. Pretty much Ace Hardware. Alright, and they do have stills, which I never seen this before. This is 159 is a vacuum. I guess it does run with their batteries. So that's pretty interesting what they did. And then they, the traditional gas 559 blower. So kind of like the flagship model and the most powerful that they have. Pretty good deal. Very simple to use. You got all the controls right there, just beside the $19.99, your choice. So these are really good deals. These are actually, some of these are not available at the depot. Just keep that in mind. Like this 10-piece screwdriver set is not available at the depot, so definitely jump on it if you guys need it. But you do have that 27-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, which I did get. I did get in this 10-piece screwdriver sets. Does include some stubbies. Really nice handles, rubber grip, very easy to grab, and here's a 27-in-1, which I just made a video on this, so I will be posting this soon for you guys. This is actually a pretty nice device. You can use this just as a bit holder if you don't want to use it as a bit, driver. You got the fastbacks. It does have a bit inside of one, and the other one has a blade storage. You got the 6-in-1. So all these are available, including that 2-pack of tape measures at the Ace Hardware. Definitely recommend it. And then these are available for $20 as well. You got an extension there to the right. 2 Tic Tac cases there on the left. Bunch of bits and bit holder, socket drive, socket adapter, and some nut drivers there to the left. And then you got some black and gold oxide or black and gold drill bits from the DeWalt's. Pretty good deals. And then they got a $5.97 tool deal. So they got miscellaneous, just random cheaper stuff. So definitely recommend these if you guys are on a budget and you just want to stock up on some tools, basic tools for the house, for the DIY. Pretty good deals. All right, so this is pretty much the star of the show here. They got the buy one get one free. So you buy a rolling case of the Milwaukee Packout and the drawers, guys. You buy the drawers and you get a large toolbox for free, guys. This is actually a pretty dang good deal, so definitely check it out. It's a great way to get you in the pack out with these holiday deals. Alright, so if you guys are looking for some safety for the job site, this is a great device. This is $79.99. It does include a first aid with a pack out case, so pretty nice. And then for you mechanics or DIYs out there, even for the pros, 32 piece here. This is $124 with the pack out. However, I don't know that is the website price, but I don't know if they are going to have a deal on these, or they currently have a deal in the store. So that is the deal at the website. They might have a lower price at the store depending on your variants. So this is the deal that they got going on with the pack outs, and then they have these pack out mounting plate for $32.99. So if you want to do your own mounting in your truck or your toolboxes, there you go. And then you got the half size pack out there, kind of like the slim style. This one's $35.99 for the pack out organizer, and then for the other organizer, which is the smaller one, $31.99. And then save $10 instantly on the steel storage rack. This is a really nice rack. It's a yellow one, by the way. Really love the color. Really like the design of this. Looks very rugged. So this one's down to $209 from $219. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. So free impact driver when you buy a drill driver and impact driver. So $3.99 impact driver and drill driver will get you a free tool. And then free oscillating tool when you buy the M18 brushless kit. And then these are $99. They're down from $129. A lot of these yellow tools are $99. then you got the buy one get one free. So you buy the tool, the circular saw, and get a free power stack kit for free. $99 down from $129 for the angle grinder. And then you got this one for $99 as well. Now it's the impact driver or the drill driver. Same thing with this one. Bluetooth radio or speaker box. And then you got this 47 piece for $9.99 from Craftsman. And then you got this one for $9.99. It's a Craftsman tool bag. They do this every year. Pretty good deal on this one. It is kind of on the smaller side, but pretty good for the amount of money. Yeah, and then you got save $25 down from $74. SAE and metric impact rated sockets from the Craftsman 12 piece. Pretty good deals on these. And then this is the flyer that they got. I did go over this in detail, so if you guys are looking for the flyer, make sure you guys check out that video. All right, so $19.99 down from $32.99. It's on the Walt circular saw blades, and then $14.99 with these 10-piece Craftsman socket sets with the ratchet, SAE or metric 10-piece. Then $5.99 for the 4-inch folding compact utility knife from Stanley. Kind of like a fastback style, basically. And then the 2-pack of fastbacks from Milwaukee. $20, same thing with this one. $19.99, just under $20. The 6-in-1, and then you got this $14.99 for this combination wrenches, 7-piece, either SAE or metric. And then $5.99 for these pliers, the 2-piece plier set. $14.99 for the 27, or not the 20. This is a Craftsman. My bad. This is the 15-piece, and then you got the screwdriver set, just under $20 for the Milwaukee. And then the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the deals on the right, the drill driver, impact driver, the blower, or and for $99 you get a free 4 amp hour battery, valid through the 11/30/2023. So definitely check it out, guys. Lots of good deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.